9/11, when the plane crashed into the Pentagon, something like 32 different law enforcement jurisdictions responded to that. Fire, police, rescue, ambulance from the Northern Virginia area. Most of them couldn't talk to each other. With an iForce vehicle with the right radios installed to it, you can link all those folks together.
Necessity is the mother of innovation when it comes to the iForce integrated public safety vehicle solution. The needs of the California Highway Patrol spurred the development of this state-of-the-art system.
We came along and through one of our partners, a company called Lectronix, we showed them the same kind of system you're looking at here, which is basically an integrated electronic control system.
At Rockwell Collins in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, we were introduced to the iForce system by Preston Johnson, Manager of Business Development at Rockwell Collins Government Systems.
This is the computer, and one of the parts of the computer is, in addition to the Linux-based operating system that runs all the mission-critical stuff, is a Windows module that allows a department to run any Windows-based programs they have, like a computer-aided dispatch, a record management system, a report writing system. And all of those, they can still do all of that through the iForce stuff in the front. In addition to moving a lot of the equipment from the front of the car to the back of the car, which is a significant officer safety improvement, is the fact that because we have a computer back there that controls all the radios, we're able to digitize the data streams from any of the radio. So one of the things that allows us to do is if you've got a VHF radio from one jurisdiction and I've got a UHF radio from a different jurisdiction, Tiffany, using iForce, can patch those two radios together so that now I can talk to you directly. So the components you're looking at down there is a multifunctional display that's a color touchscreen display, a keyboard, a hand controller device, and then up in front of Tiffany is the microphone for the voice activated controls. Down there on the HCD you'll see a button that says voice. She pushes that, using that she can control things as well. So if she pushes that button and says code 3.
Code 3.
Code 3.
Now all the lights are on. The siren is disabled so that we don't scare people. It's good that Tiffany is here because Tiffany is responsible for the graphic user interface for iForce. So this is a graphic user interface designed for someone operating in a high-stress environment that you don't want them to have to spend 10 seconds looking down at a screen to figure out the information they need. You want them to be able to glance down in a quarter of a second, see what they need to see, and get back eyes out of the cockpit.
Johnson added that the iForce system has the benefit of years of Rockwell Collins avionics design experience.
The technology that we were using to approach that market leveraged very well into the law enforcement market because it's a similar type of problem and a similar type of environment from the perspective of things have to be very ruggedized and very high assurance.
Currently, iForce is being used by the California Highway Patrol and the Royal Canadian Mounted Police.